And we're off. That way up to Fhada and the Glen, and this direction here to A-Ghlas-Bheinn and the Glomach Falls, up that way to the summit. That's a little bridge over the stream here. Morning folks, how are you? Thank you for tuning into the channel today and having a wee look at what we're up to. Today I'm down in Kintail and I'm heading for a couple of Munros, A-Ghlas-Bheinn and Ben-Attou. And it's a beautiful morning. There's been a showing of snow this week and I've been keen to get out and experience some of the winter conditions. At ground level conditions here there's no ice and the ground's quite soft. But I don't know what it's like up on the ridge up there. That's the first mountain there, which is A-Ghlas-Bheinn. So let's head on and see what today's outing has in store for us. Let's go. After a good wee walk for about an hour and a bit, you come to this area here at the gate and you can see the stones worn away where people have made their entrance to the hill or exit. And if you were continuing to Glomach Falls, it's just straight on there. Nice waterfall there, but the path zigzags up the side there and through the glen there for the Glomach Falls. As you can see, it's quite a steep pool at the beginning, pretty pathless. Then the views open up down to Loch Dewey there, and we rise again, and away in the distance is where we have to go. Back down to the white houses where we started, and we turned in at Loch Dewey Bridge there. That's the Five Sisters on that side there, and that's Beinn-Fhada there. So after a wee pull and a good walk, we come to the final section, which is obviously steeper. I'm going to tack to the right here and then move to the left. over there. Sisters Ridge, Scouna and Kervin over there. Spinning round in here to Glenafric area and Torridon. The Skye Bridge there, then the Cuillin, and over there to the south side of the Glen Shiel Ridge and Screehill over there. View back up to the summit there and the descent route. It's very sketchy, lots of ice. Then again, it is winter now, so we descend down into the Beinn-Fhada here and make a decision about what we're going to do next. Looking across to the buttresses of Fhada there and the summit up there. Still got a wee bit to get to this Beinn-Fhada yet. Came up the quarry, very cold, biting wind. Path zigzags up the inside of the basin here. And we've just caught some sun now. And it's onwards and upwards. Certainly puffing today, troops. It's a bit harder going than I was expecting. Let's go. Some beautiful scenery, eh? Still very strong winds. And Beinn-Fhada there. At last. If you look down there, you can make out the old Beinn-Fhada, and there's that group of Munros we did a few weeks ago there. Mirnan Jerrican, Scoltand Kervin, Skurvoa, and away in the distance is Loch Afric there. And then you're spinning round here, and you've got the ones at the Clooney side there. Beautiful ones there and there where I've camped on. And spinning round here, and you have the sisters side and the brothers ridge, and all the way down to Big Ben Nevis there. And spinning round here, and you've got the Sky Cooling, Scrithel, and that's the way I was going to go back down over Hunter's Pass and down Munro-Bagging, but I'm not going to do it because it's going to be a bit more demanding today. With the snow and the ice, so we'll just head back down and into the quarry and down to the glen. Right, let's go. It gets dark about 4 o'clock. It's now just gone the back of 2, so let's get down to the path anyway, off the icy stuff. So that's our descent route, all the way down to where the heather is, and then we'll be going left into the quarry. Let's go. So we're back on the switch back down into the quarry. That's all snow and ice, so if we can get out of that and down to the second level where the grass starts again, we should be good to go. This river can be in spate and can be quite hazardous to cross. It looks fine today. Folks, this is nearly at the bottom now, well, except for the walkout. If you're still with me, thank you very much for staying till the end. Very enjoyable day. Strong winds not anticipated, and very, very cold, especially in the wind. The ice underfoot was a bit treacherous in some places, and combined with the wind, it made for a little bit of a sketchy situation, especially on A-Ghlas-Bheinn. However, I kind of took the gamble of running across, hardly running, but going across for Beinn-Fhada, and yeah, it saves me another trek up there the next time I'm in this glen. So if you like the video and the content and stuff like that, then maybe like, comment, subscribe, just to try and get the channel to grow. Doesn't seem to be growing very well, so either I'm doing something wrong, or I just don't know how to confuse the algorithm in YouTube. What I don't want to do is what a lot of people are doing and buying bots to improve their channel. They pay a subscription and then the videos are watched in another country like Russia or something, and they just keep doing them over and over and getting likes and subscriptions and everything like that, and they buy that so they can go over 1,000 and start making some cash. Pretty crap actually. I think your channel should be there on merit, but then who knows, maybe I've got it wrong. And I hope you're keeping fit and healthy and looking out for each other, and I'll catch up with you the next time. Thanks again. Cheers, ATB.